Hi, this is a practice video for your purple belt, which is Can-Can. It's number 68 in your Sound Innovations book. The challenge on this particular example is the first and second ending repeat. So the way this works, you play from the beginning all the way to the end, the first line, then you play all the way up until the repeat. That repeat sign brings you back to the beginning of the example, and then you continue playing that first line again and the first measure of the second line again. After this, you skip the first ending and you move your eyes over to ending number 2. It creates 2 different thoughts. We've created sentences here. The first thought is, I like to eat Pop-Tarts. The second thought, after you play and you play, is I like dogs. You don't like to eat dogs. So you don't continue to play through until the second ending. You have to skip the first ending the second time through. We're going to play it twice through. We're going to go once at a slower tempo, which is more than enough for you to get your belt as long as you're playing it accurately. And then we will level up and we will play it a little faster if you are ready for that challenge. Get your bows placed on your D string on your viola. And here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2. Ending D, A. And now we're going to do it at a faster tempo. This is your level up if you feel like you have that fairly accurate. Here we go from the beginning. Get your bow placed on your D strings. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ready, go. Practicing.